Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Appreciate you tuning once again. Man, I tell you what, this spring slash almost summer, my allergies are just killing me this year. Ugh. I've tried everything. I'm eating Claritin like they're Tic Tacs. I don't understand. I don't get this. Okay, I buy them usually over the counter. I go to the pharmacist and, dude, give me the real things. Give me the horse pill style ones. But sometimes I run out. They only allow you to get so many because all those meth guys out there. But anyways, I got my backup ones. They're the little tiny ones, right? The little tiny things. I've tried I tried them all. No, but the only ones work is the ones behind the counter. Anyways, moving on. They give you that little one. They say 1 pill per day. Okay, so if you got a child that is, I don't know, 10 years old and they weigh 80 pounds, I'm like 240-ish. I'm supposed to take one? Yeah, right. I'm not seeing the math here. Just come on, let's get this over with. So, okay, moving on. I'm not sure how we got on that little bunny trail. Rabbit hole, squirrel, whatever. So we're entering in another group build. I'm already in a group build for Mike's channel at Scale Speedworks. If you guys are on that project already, you need to go over to Mike's channel and tell him you're in. Go get in on this. If you haven't been to Mike's channel, you need to go check it out anyways, because he's got some really cool videos out, guys. He does some really neat videos. I like his format, how the way he does it. Kind of, sometimes he'll put videos up and little history things on the car before he does it. Very cool. So go check out his channel. Get in on this build. It's a Mustang. You got a year to do it. So it's basically for the Mustang's 60th birthday, which is next year for 2024. So head on over there and get in on that. So that'll be a really cool build. I think there's going to be a lot of neat projects in that. So other than that, we are moving on to another project because we got time to jump in a bunch of these. So I'm getting in on Mars' garage. So Mars put on a really cool one. He's doing rust buckets. I thought, how cool is that? And Mars is the king of rust rotter. I mean, he does, most of his cars are, how do you want to say, very heavily patinaed. Something like that. And he does an awesome job at it. And he is putting on a build. So this is the perfect guy for this build. And I thought, no, I got to get on this because I got a project I've been wanting to do for a while. And I thought, do I make it pretty or do I rot it out? And I thought, we're going to rot it out. We're going to make it just rough looking. And I've been wanting to do this for a while. So I got this model from Mark at Hobby Nut Models. And he's got a few of them down there. So you guys should go check his website out and grab yourself one of these. I'm going to try to tip it because of plastic. So this is a new kit yet. So this is the Mobius 72 Snowplow Ranger. I figured, what better thing to rot out than an old snowplow truck? I live in Michigan, so the winters here, they salt everything. So, I mean, you get a car that's a couple years old, it's starting to rust out already, except for some of this new aluminum stuff, obviously. So, snowplows around here are one of two ways. They're either a newer truck or a few years old, and they look pretty good yet, or you got the old 20-year-old truck, the plow never comes off because you can't get it off there. The back fenders are so rotted out, you can see the inner box lining. And as they're going down the road, the fenders are just flopping. So there's no tailgate. There's cables stretched across to hold the box together. I mean, that's usually how some of these older trucks are here. And just, brake lines are all cobbled up because everything's just already rotted off and it's been gone through so many times. And yeah, you barely get the wheels off the things, So that's what we're going to do to this. We're going to rot this thing out. We're going to turn it into a piece of junk. A piece of junk! That's what it's going to turn into. And we even may break the windows and everything. I'm not sure yet, but it should look pretty cool. And I'll do some videos along the way. Show you guys kind of the process of how I'm doing this. And he's letting everything in on this build. I mean, I'm talking Hot Wheels cars. If you want to do ships, planes, whatever you want to do. He's even doing model railroad stuff. I thought, how cool is that? I got tons of cars I could throw in on that deal. But I'm not going to overwhelm myself. I'm just going to stick with this. And I think this should turn out pretty cool. So I'm kind of excited to get on this one. So this is my entry for that group build. It's like I say, head on over to Mars's Garage and get in on this, guys. And like I say, once again, for Mars's channel, if you guys have not been over there, you need to get it over there and give him a sub, give him a like, all that good stuff, and check his channel out. So another thing, guys, I have a shop card. I got a shop card shout out, as we all say. I got one from Henry Robs over at Mid-Century Model Works. Right there, my friends. So how cool is that? So if you guys have not been over to Rob's channel, you guys need to go check him out. He's newer to YouTube, and he's got a really cool channel going. He's getting it put together pretty good over there, and he does some pretty cool builds. He's a real good guy to listen to. And Henry, I thank you for the words on the back. And I have to say, I really love what you put on the bottom here. Brothers in Styrene. That is so awesome. I just like, that is so cool. I like it. Love it. Love it. I mean, that should be on a t-shirt, or better yet, you could do a club. The club Brothers in Styrene. That is so cool. Thank you so much for the card. I really appreciate it. And if you guys ask Henry for a card, you don't just get this card. You'll get another one almost identical, but it's a magnet. It's almost the same size. I have mine on my door. I have a steel door in my garage here. So that's what the other card is. So very cool. So like I say, go over to his channel, give him a sub, throw him some comments, give him a like, show him that modeling community love. You guys know what to do. Like I say, so go check out his channel and all that good stuff. So thanks once again, Henry, for the card. I really appreciate it, my friend. So like I say, guys, go check that out. So all these channels I've mentioned, there will be links in the description below for all those. Like I say, get on these group builds. Hey, you know, they're fun to get onto. I like seeing everybody else's creations, what they come up with in the end. So, okay, guys, I talked long enough as usual. So I will let you guys go, and I will see you on the next video. And you guys have a good one, and thanks for watching. We'll catch you next time.